Did you know that you can install Perplexity AI on your Windows PC? And this is super easy to do. You can install this on your PC or even your mobile. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, once you're inside Perplexity AI account, guys, just simply look towards the lower left and you will find install. If you click on that, you will see that you can install it on your Mac and you can also install it on your Windows. It's also available for your mobile devices as well, both Android and iOS. So if you click on that, you will see, for example, for mobile, you can scan this QR code here and you'll be able to install it directly on your phone. Let's go back. For Windows, just simple click this, download for Windows, and you will see that it downloads it on your PC. And as you can see, it's currently downloaded on the upper right hand side. Once this is done, all we really have to do is simple click on that. You can find it in your downloads folder or you can install it by clicking on it once it downloads, and you will see that it's installing on my PC right there. So it's going to install really quick. All we have to do once we finish install it is to sign in with our credentials there. And you will see in a moment. Let me go ahead and minimize this so that you can see. On the upper left hand side, you can see there's an icon as well on my computer. Here it is. It is installed on my PC, and all I have to do is simply click on sign in, which I can continue with my Google account. And that's all to it, guys. You'll see that it redirects. I select my email address right here, and it's going to open up here from the pop-up. And you can see it's finalizing the login. It's popping up the Windows version again. And that's it. Super easy. I have Perplexity AI on my Windows PC. And that's all that you have to do, guys.